Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. My name is Kelly and I like to post weekly videos on all things home related. Today was a rainy day in my neck of the woods, so it was a perfect day to get some stuff done around the house. And as you can see, I had just finished my grocery shopping, so I needed to get that put away. So today's video is a cleaning video, and it'll be the cleaning of my main floor of my home. And usually what I like to do is start in the kitchen and work clockwise on this main level, which means I'll start in the kitchen, go to the dining room, and then finish up with the living room. So as you can see, the first thing I needed to do was to put away the groceries. I had just done a Costco haul and a local supermarket haul, and if you're interested in watching that video to see exactly what I got, I'm going to leave the link up above so you can go check that out. So I just have to put everything away in the cupboards and in the fridge, and then I'll get to cleaning the kitchen. So one of the first things I like to do is just to give my table a quick wipe down after we've had our breakfast and things like that. And I'm going to use this Method all-purpose cleaner. And I just give it a quick wipe down, and then I will set it back up with all my fall decor. And there goes Gus, needs outside as always. Since it's just the two of us in the house now, I usually like to hand wash the dishes. We don't go through that many, so it's just easier for me to hand wash them, and that's what I'll do first, is just give them a wash and then give them a dry and put everything away, and that just helps to clear my counters off.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
To wipe down my countertops, I like to use this Method granite cleaner. It smells wonderful and it really does leave a nice shine on the countertops. So I'll just give them a quick spurt and wipe them down with a damp cloth.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the
Next, I'm going to wipe down my stainless steel appliances. I have run out of my stainless steel, so I'm going to try my all-purpose eat cloth that I just got and the polishing cloth afterwards. And that really seems to do a nice job on it, but I do miss my stainless steel cleaner. I'm going to have to go out and get something. But what do you guys recommend for stainless steel? I have used a number of products and I haven't really found anything that I'm crazy about yet. But I'd love to know in the comments below if you guys have something that you really like to use, because I'm kind of stumped for a stainless steel cleaner.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool, the kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool.
And here's another dilemma for my sink. I have been using this Barkeeper's Friend, and I have to say, I'm not loving it. The smell is not very pleasant. I don't know what it is about it. And I'm not crazy about the job it does. So again, if you guys can recommend something for my sink, I'd love to know. But I'll just keep using it. It's almost empty, so I'm going to use it until it's gone.
I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel.
Now I'll head into the dining room, and there's just some stuff that has been dumped on the table, so I'll put that all away. And then I'm just going to use my Pledge cleaner on all the wood, and this little mitt that I have on my hand I got at my local dollar store, and it actually came recommended from another YouTuber. You probably have all heard of her. It's Jen from How Jen Does It. She said that she had bought one and it worked really well, so I thought for $1 I'm going to give it a try, and it is. It's really, really good. I do like it, and it's quick and easy, and it washes up like a dream. So that's what I'm going to use with my Pledge. And I'm so sorry about the lighting in this room. It's at the front of the house, and there's a big tree in front of the window, so it doesn't let in a lot of light, and we have one little chandelier in this room that kind of gives off a yellow glow. So pardon the lighting in this room.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
So now I'm going to head into the hallway and my living room, and I'm going to give everything a quick dust and a vacuum now. So I'll just dust off my hall table and my hall mirror, and then I'll head into the living room to finish up.
Faster car, nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself.
And this is our new leather sofa. I love it. It's a nice dark charcoal gray, but I'm just giving it a quick dusting with the polishing cloth. It's not wet, it's slightly damp, and I'm just giving it a light dusting. Oh, and here's Gus doing his big stretch on the rug before I vacuum.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Now to vacuum, and I think I've mentioned this in another video before. I really don't like this vacuum. I keep dropping major hints to my husband for a new one. It's so, you can see me struggling to turn it on here. I mean, it does a good job when it gets going, but my goodness, it's hard to turn on. And it's cumbersome. There's, I have to pull it and push it everywhere. The cords get in the way. So I've dropped some major hints, and we'll see what happens. It's really a shame I don't like this vacuum because I actually love to vacuum. It's one of my favorite things to do when I am cleaning the house. What do you guys like to do? What's your favorite chore? I hate bathrooms, but I like vacuuming. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite task on cleaning day is. So here you go. I'm all finished and it feels so good to get it all done. I have vacuumed, I have dusted and polished everything, and it looks great. And I just lit one of my favorite candles. I get it from Walmart and it's called the Hazelnut Cream Scent, and it smells so good. The house just, oh, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. So I want to thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll think about giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I hope that you'll think about subscribing as well and joining me each week as I share more videos all related to the home. And until next time, guys, I really hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.